A lot of people get into Act 2, they don't know what to do. They have no clue what to do in Act 2. It's called the belly of the whale in the hero's journey because it's difficult. And if you don't really study the theory, then you don't know what to do here. But if you do study the theory, then hopefully it's easier. Larry, let's look at Act 2A and tell me what's the beginning, middle, and end of Act 2A. Not for any story in particular, just in general. How does Act 2A start? What's the middle of Act 2A? What's the end of Act 2A? Neo learns Kung Fu, Luke learns lightsabers. Sometimes there's training. But this sequence here is basically the first steps, or the first thing that you're going to do. Sometimes that includes training. And that 15 minutes there, it starts with just usually a scene of travel, but just getting into the story. What should we do first? Let's do this. And the middle of Act 2A is going to be this culmination right here. That culmination, where Sequence 3 is drawing to an end, and everything that they've tried to do as Act 2A starts, they go in this direction. There's going to be some focal point, some scene, something here. And it helps you to think that between the turning point and the reversal, if you just look at Sequence 3 and 4, between the turning point and the reversal, they're exactly halfway between starting the mission and the reversal. So what would be halfway between the turning point and the reversal? That's what you figure out. This sort of modern film structure, like the title is traditional Hollywood screenwriting. This is how we need to hopefully structure it. But back in the days when Wizard of Oz was made, it wasn't strictly written in this dynamic yet. And even movies today aren't strictly written in that dynamic, like Boyhood, and that's fine. Does it make sense if you imagine between the turning point and between the reversal, you're going to have something that's pretty much halfway, both physically and emotionally, between the turning point and the reversal? It just, I think, helps you brainstorm. It helps you think of what scenes you're going to have. It helps you create scenes that help your character arc. And the end of Act 2A, what's the end of Act 2A? We've started Act 2A, things could go sour here. Drop a bomb in the middle, a game-changing element, the big change. So maybe between the turning point and the reversal, everyone thinks that everything's going fine. This is going to be an open and shut case. You know, this is going to be easy. And maybe here, at this culmination, they're pretty sure that they're about to solve this story. But then they keep going, and then they hit the reversal.